Southern Extreme TV is brought to you by Rock's Edge Outdoor Gear, Old Blue Fresh Earth Cover Scent, Deadly Attraction Game Calls, and by Bull Moose Guns and Ammunition.
Buck down. He's not a giant, but we've seen that deer on this property. We went back and replayed the footage. We had him on camera the other morning. It was a little bit too dark to tell too much about him, but he was in front of the trail camera earlier, past couple days. Pulled the SD card, checked him out, and man, this deer is just jacked up. And I mean, you can tell it's not a defect from when he was in velvet. This is just pure messed up genetics. So it's a very good cull buck. I'm happy to take him. The landowner, property manager asked me to come and take him, so it's I'm excited, man. It's a good deer. You know, people on this property, they let a lot bigger deer walk. But I'm just thankful that they let me come down and shoot this messed up, jacked up, funky looking deer. So he's gonna be cool. We're like, you know, it's 6:50 in the morning and we still got a lot of hunting left to do. So we're gonna sit here and maybe a big buck will come out. Who knows? It'll have to be a real good buck for him to come out before we shoot. So thank y'all for watching Southern Extreme TV, guys. It happened fast and it happened quick this morning.
Blake, hurry up. We gotta go if we're gonna go hunting. It's getting late.
I'm coming, man. I got one more thing, though.
Dude, what are you doing?
I'm trying to cover my scent, man.
Have I not told you about Old Blue cover scent?
Well, no.
Well, this is how I cover my scent.
Since that sun came up, I bet the temperature's dropped another 4 to 5 degrees. It was 28 when we left the house this morning, and now that sun's just now starting to peak up, it's getting down to about 24, 25 right now. So it's pretty cold. You know, we've sat here for a little while. We haven't heard that many gunshots. We've heard a couple pretty close, but nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get down and go recover this deer. You know, we shot him at maybe 20 yards and he hit the ground, drug, and took off running, and he flipped over and crashed right here next to a tree, maybe 50, 60 yards away from me. And you know, he flopped around there for a little bit, and then while I was doing the interview after I shot, I heard him roll off down into this creek down here. So I'm gonna get down. You know, I haven't talked to my dad. I don't know if he's seen anything or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and get down and go over here and see if I can get on the blood trail, and then just kind of work my way around and go see if I can get this deer out. We may have to drag him out of the creek to do a recovery. So hopefully I'll be able to find him no problem. But it's been a good morning, guys. I've been blessed. Let's go get this deer, guys. Thank you for watching Southern Extreme TV. Guys, I just got down out of the stand. We're trying to do a recovery on this deer. Right here's where I shot him at. Now we see the kind of leaves are kicked up all over. I shot him and he started dragging his leg. He ran right through here down towards this creek bottom, so we're gonna push through here. We heard him crash. We know he fell into the creek. Whether he made it out on the other side or not is a different story. So we're gonna try to ease down through here, see if we can get on some blood, see if we can figure out where the deer's at. Stick with me, guys. Should be fun. Guys, we haven't found any blood yet. Right here is the tree where he crashed. I don't know if I'm on the right trail that he came into the woods or not. I'm just kind of zigzagging back and forth trying to get on the blood trail. Alright guys, right here, we're at the big tree. This is where he flipped over and started thrashing around. I think you could see it on the video. You seen his tail kind of moving around where he was on the ground. I turned the camera back over to me to do the interview after I shot. I heard him get up off the ground and make it into the creek. So hopefully he's gonna be right over this creek edge right here. Right here he is, guys. He's laying right in the creek right there. Oh. This is a cool looking deer. I cannot wait to get him up out of this creek and show you guys. He's got all kinds of palmation and stuff on his right side, just got a lot of character. So I'm gonna get down here, get him drug out, get him back up here, and hopefully this is gonna be a good buck, guys. Stick with me. I want y'all to check that deer right there out. I mean, this guy is just something awesome. He's got 8 points. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4. He's got 5 on his right side. He's got 3 on his left. And he broke his left side off right here. So he might have been even bigger than that before he broke it off. This is just a absolutely cool buck, guys. I've never shot a deer with this much character before. You know, he comes out and it's almost like his main beam just flipped upside down right here. And he's got like his G2 here, G3, and then his main beam comes on out and they just go straight down. So that's just an awesome looking deer, guys. Just a brute of an animal. I cannot be more thrilled to take this animal. Guys, I just gotta thank thank the guys who let me come on here and take this deer. We usually kill way bigger deer than this off this property. We had this deer on trail camera, and had a couple video sessions of him coming in early in the morning. Nothing good to show on this video, but after looking at him, all the guys were kind of like, well, if you want to go in there and take that deer out, you need to, because we don't really want that deer breeding. And with that being said, that was the green light for me right there. So I told them I was the man for the job, and I mean, everything just worked out how it was supposed to. I really am blessed, guys. None of this would be possible without my sponsors, and really and truly without you guys watching me on YouTube. If it wasn't for you guys, none of this, I wouldn't be able to do the things that I do and be able to hunt the amount that I do hunt. So guys, this deer right here is going up for y'all. Just an unbelievably cool deer. I'm absolutely thrilled to take him. It's just a awesome hunt, guys. It's been a blessing. Nobody to thank but God. Guys, I'm Blake Myers. Thank you for watching Southern Extreme TV, brought to you by Bull Moose Guns, Rock's Edge Gear Camouflage, Old Blue Cover Scent, and Deadly Attraction Game Calls. Guys, go check all them guys out. They make quality equipment for the woods. And tell them Southern Extreme TV sent you. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you guys for watching.